Good morning, students. Hope all of you are ready for today's language class. So, students, everybody take out your language book and open the chapter number 22 and page number 63. Okay. So, student, in this chapter today we learn about the conjunction. So, we have already learned about the 7 parts of speech of the grammar. Okay. So, this is the last parts of the speech. This name is conjunction. সো তোমাদেরকে বলে রাখি যে আমাদের ইংলিশ গ্রামারে ফার্স্ট আমাদের বেসিক যেটা জানতে হয় সেটা হচ্ছে 8 parts of speech. In our English grammar we have 8 parts of speech. What are that? What are those? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, article, preposition, and the last is conjunction. So তোমরা কিন্তু nouns, you know about nouns. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Next, number 2 is pronoun. Pronoun means which word we use in the replacement of noun. Noun এর replacement এ আমরা যেটা use করি. Next, number 3, noun, pronoun, verb. What is verb? Verb is a doing word. Any work is called verb. Any action. Okay, action or word or doing word. Next, adverb. Adverb means which word does give us the description of the verb. ओके वर्ब के बारे में जो डिस्क्राइब करता है उसको बुलाती है एडवर्ब. नेक्स्ट 4 हो गया नाउन, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब एंड एडवर्ब. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव, व्हाट इज एडजेक्टिव? एडजेक्टिव मीन्स व्हिच वर्ड डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट द नाउन. ওকে যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো আমাদেরকে নাউনের ডেসক্রিপশন দেয় সেগুলোকে আমরা বলি অ্যাডজেক্টিভ. নেক্সট নাম্বার 6 means articles. Articles means everybody know this. Articles means a, an or the. Okay, next number 7 preposition. Preposition means the position of the noun. So যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো আমাদেরকে পজিশন বলে, ওকে যেগুলো আমাদেরকে পজিশনের ডেসক্রিপশন দেয় সেগুলোকে আমরা বলি প্রিপোজিশন. which word we use to describe the position. And the last number 8 is conjunction. Last is conjunction. So today we know or learn about conjunction. So the number 8 and the last parts of speech is conjunction in grammar. So what is conjunction? See, conjunction means joining words. What are that joining words? And, but. These are two and but. These two words are called joining words. Why? Because these two words is used only for joining two sentence. Okay? Only two sentences joining করার জন্য আমরা এই দুটো word use করে থাকি. Let's see example. Kiki has a ball. Kiki has a bat. Okay, sorry, this is a mistake. This will be bat. Okay. Kiki has a ball, Kiki has a bat. So क्या हुआ? Kiki has a ball and Kiki has a bat. Kiki একটা কি আছে? বল আছে আর একটা ব্যাট আছে. So हम एक साथ ये दोनों अलग सेंटेंस है, ठीक है? These two sentences are completely separate. But we need to join this. How? Kiki has a ball and bat. So Kiki has is common. So we join this. We take this only one line. Okay, only one lines. Kiki has a ball and bat. Kiki has a ball and bat. So same person but he has two अलग things है, two separate things. He has two separate things. So क्या हुआ? इसलिए हमने क्या किया? and add किया. बट इधर देखो, राजी हैज़ अ रेड बैलून, अनन्या हैज़ अ ब्लू बैलून. राजी ये ज्वाइन करने के लिए क्या होगा? ये नाउन अलग है मगर ऑब्जेक्ट सेम है. जब नाउन अलग होगा और ऑब्जेक्ट सेम होगा तब बाट होगा, और जब नाउन सेम होगा और ऑब्जेक्ट्स अलग होगा तब एंड होगा. তোমরা বুঝতে পারলে? আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? আরেকবার রিপিট করে দিচ্ছি. যখন আমাদের নাউনগুলো সেম থাকবে বাট এই যে আমরা থিংস যেটা বলবো এই থিংসগুলো সেপারেট থাকবে, ডিফারেন্ট থাকবে, তখন আমরা কি করব? নাউনটাকে সেম রেখে দুটো সেপারেট থিংসের মিডিলে একটা অ্যান্ড অ্যাড করব. অ্যান্ড অ্যাড করে আমরা সেটাকে সেন্টেন্সটাকে আমরা জয়েন করতে পারি. ওকে, समझ में आए? जब नाउन, दोनों नाउन एक रहेगा, सेम रहेगा, और दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट और थिंग्स अलग हो जाएगा, तब हम क्या कर सकती है, ये ज्वाइन करने के लिए हम नाउन सेम रखेंगे और ये दोनों चीज़ के बीच में एंड करना है, एंड लिखना पड़ेगा, तो ये सेंटेंस ज्वाइन हो जाएगा। ओके, ये दोनों थिंग्स के बीच में एंड लगाकर हम ज्वाइन कर सकती है। मगर जब दोनों नाउन अलग होगा और ये थिंग्स सेम होगा, और सॉरी, जब नाउन और थिंग्स दोनों ही अलग होगा तब हम बाट ऐड करेंगे। जब दोनों थिंग्स कम्प्लीटली अलग होता है तब हम बाट ऐड करेंगे। ओके, যখন দুটো জিনিসই নাউন অবজেক্টস অলস আর কমপ্লিটলি সেপারেট, দ্যাটস টাইম উই ইউজ বাট টু জয়েন দোজ টু লাইন্স। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? देखो, and but are the words that join the two sentences. And but, these two words is only used for joining the sentence. That's why this word are known as joining words or conjunction. Conjunction means joining words. So and but is only used to join the two sentences. That's why we call these two words are joining words. Okay. Next, they are joining words. The words used to combine two sentences or phrases are called joining words or conjunction. Okay, same আমি তোমাদেরকে বুঝিয়ে দিলাম, বলে দিয়েছি। সো নেক্সট দেখো, আরও কয়েকটা এক্সাম্পল আমরা দেখে নেব, তাহলে তোমাদের কাছে জিনিসটা আরও ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে। देखो, हर्षित इज टॉल, हर्षित इज स्मार्ट। तो क्या है, नाउन सेम है मगर डिस्क्रिप्शन अलग है। ओके, सो हर्षित इज टॉल एंड स्मार्ट। तो क्या हुआ, नाउन सेम हुआ। तो मैंने क्या बोला था, जब नाउन सेम होगा और ऑब्जेक्ट्स और डिस्क्रिप्शन समथिंग अलग होगा तब हम एंड ऐड करके हम ये सेंटेंसेस जॉइन कर सकती है। যখন নাউন সেম থাকবে বাট অবজেক্টস ও থিংস সেপারেট থাকবে তখন আমরা অ্যান্ড অ্যাড করে আমরা সেন্টেন্সটা জয়েন করতে পারি। সেম দেখো, হর্ষিত ইজ কমন, দিস ইজ কমন। ওকে, অ্যান্ড উই ইউজ and be in the middle of tall and smart. So Harshit is tall and also he is smart. So Harshit is tall and smart. Okay. Next, I have an apple, I have an orange. So I have an apple and I have an orange. The noun are same but object is separate. So same, I have an apple and an orange. Clear? Here the nouns are same but objects are separate. That's why we use and to join these two sentences. Okay, next, go to next page. Number 3, my mother likes to drink tea. My father likes to sip coffee. So mother क्या पसंद करती है, टी, और फादर क्या पसंद करते हैं, कॉफ़ी। तो पूरा दोनों सेंटेंस पूरा अलग है, ये मदर है, ये फादर है, नाउन भी सेपरेट है, और ये टी है, ये कॉफ़ी है, ऑब्जेक्ट भी सेपरेट है, पूरा completely separate. These two sentences are completely separate. In these cases, we use but to join these two sentences. My mother likes to drink tea, but my father likes to sip coffee. Okay, so two sentences are completely separate. That's why we use but. Clear? Next, do this exercise. Let's start. Okay, my uncle has a son. So my uncle has a son. My uncle has a daughter. So is son, my uncle has a son and also a daughter. So what we use to join this sentence? See, these nouns are same. Okay, nouns are same. Subjects are same. But this object is separate. So what we use to join this? Obviously and. So right here, my uncle has a son and a daughter. Next, I go to school with Payal. I go to school with Sneha. So here also the subject is same but the object is separate. So here we again use and to join this pair of sentence. Okay, so again write I go to school with Payal. So here Payal is a noun. Payal is a noun. So P will be capital letter. Payal and Sneha. Everybody know that every naming words का first word जो होता है वो capital letter में होता है. The first letter of a naming word will be capital letter. Okay. Next, number 3. Granny likes to go to park. Grandfather likes to go to temple. So these two lines are completely separate. This is granny and this is grandfather. And here park and here temple. So what we use to join this pair of sentence? We use but. So right here Granny likes to go to park, but grandfather likes to go to temple. Okay. Next, number 4. Tom is tall, Tom is short. Sorry, Tom is tall but Tim is short. These two sentences are completely separate again. So we again use but to join this pair of sentence. Okay, this is Tom, subject is completely separate, and this tall and this is short. The object is also separate. So these two sentences are completely separate. That's why different sentence. So that's why we use but to join this pair of sentence. Okay, right here Tom is tall but Tim is short. Next, number 5. My sister is eating fruit. I am drinking milk. These two sentences are also completely different. Here are my sister and here is me, and eating fruit and drinking milk. So also we use but to join this two pair of sentence. Okay, now write my sister is eating fruit but I am drinking milk. Okay, next exercise B. Take the correct conjunction. Correct conjunction কোনটা ইউজ করতে হবে, কোনটা রাইট आंसर হবে সেটাকে আমাদেরকে টিক করতে হবে. ওকে, নাও স্টার্ট. नंबर 1. ही प्लेज ऑल डे डैश एंड होगा नाइट होगा. कौन सा होगा? He plays all. This is common, and here day and night are two objects, separate objects. So here we obviously use and. He plays all day and night. Okay. Next, number 2. I like to play hockey and cricket because noun are common and object is separate. So we use and. Next, Meeta wants to eat an orange dash and or grapes. So Smita wants to eat. These are common subject, but orange and grapes are separate. So again we use and. And is the correct answer. Okay, Smita wants to eat an orange and grapes. Next, number 4. Radha is fat and or but Asha is thin. See here, Radha is fat is completely separate and Asha is thin is completely separate. So these two sentences are completely different. So what we use? We obviously use but. You know that to join the completely different sentences we use but. So but is the right answer. Next, my uncle and but my aunt are doctors. So my uncle and my aunt are separate, but our doctors is common or subject is same. Okay, so we use and to join the sentence. My uncle and my aunt are doctors. Okay, next, number C, last exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions. Please give me a lemon dash an orange. So obviously we use and. Please give me a lemon and an orange because subject is same. It is cold dash pleasant. It is cold but pleasant. I have 3 books dash notebooks. 3 books and notebooks is completely different. So I have 3 books but no notebooks. I dash my mother went to the shop. I and my mother went to the shop is common, but I and my mother object is separate. So that's why we use and. I and my mother went to shop. The last is she loves her mother dash father. She loves her mother and father because she loves is common subject and mother and father two objects are separate. That's why we use and. Okay, so our conjunction, hope all of you understand about this chapter, the use of conjunction. So everybody practice this parts of speech and get ready for your annual exam. Okay.